morning, kind of. Am I focused? I'm focused. We're on our way to the free walking tour from New Europe. Sandeman, I think. For about 2.5 hours. We start at the City Hall Square in Copenhagen, because we're in Copenhagen. If I'm not wrong, there will be a break sometime, and I will try to update you about what we see. But so far it has been okay. The weather is not too cold for now. It said that it will be snowing later today. I'm still not focused, but yeah, we'll see how it goes when it does snow. I'm not really prepared for snow. We don't have umbrellas or anything, so we'll see. We have arrived at the, I think, City Hall Square. We have to find a place where we have to meet up. But there's the museums, the Ripley's and the Anderson's Museum. Oh, there's also 7-Eleven and Burger King. And my friend was right there. And there's a Starbucks. The very touristy things. Not what we say. The dragon thing. Yeah. Okay. We have arrived at the dragon fountain thing where we have to meet up. I see some of the people of the Sandeman Europe tour thing. There are not a lot of people actually, just a few here and there. It's very windy, it's very cold, but we're on a tour now, somewhere on the harbor. Let's see, we're stopping. Took a break to get some coffee at the coffee shop right there, and we're going to continue the tour now if the guys gets her umbrella. But it's so cold, so the coffee house. We're walking in Nyhavn. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but it means new harbor. And you see these colorful houses, but it's really raining, so I'm not really vlogging that much because it's raining. I don't want my camera to be wet. But there's my group too there, so I have to follow them. There's a lot of boats, yachts. It's a very beautiful area, but it's raining, it's cold. So just ended the tour, the free walking tour from Sandeman, at the marble church right there. It's very cold. We're you're not in shot. We're just going to find some food and get some heat because we're freezing and it's raining, so I'm going to stop here by. Thank you. Thing called glue. We're just getting some food. I have a wrap. My friend is just getting some sugar. But this looks really good. This wrap. It's currently 10:30 and we're about to get some sleep. Well, my friend is about to get some sleep. I'm going to edit a little bit, maybe get some other work done. Lightning is really yeah, ouch. I woke up this morning actually pretty early at 7 a.m. ish, but we went out at 8 a.m. to get some breakfast from the supermarket, and then yeah, we just came back home and ate the breakfast as you saw in the vlog. And At night we went to Tivoli Gardens, which was really beautiful with the lightnings. With the lights actually, not lightning, sorry. English is hard. Our plan for tomorrow is the National Museum of Copenhagen and the Free Contemporary Museum or art thing. So that is our plan.